Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone making a mushroom shelf. Now I don't know why mushrooms have just taken off. They're like this huge trend right now. Oh wow, very cool. And then we have someone making something out of some brown paper. So they're doing the folding method. I'm guessing they're making the palm leaves. And this is also still a very popular trend that we're seeing in home decor. And this is definitely beginner friendly. Cheap, easy, modern art. So this is of course budget friendly as well. And they're using paper to create like different layering within the technique that they're using. Various shapes, sizes. Oh, I like the fact that they're taping this together and not gluing it. And this to me looks like some type of like really cool like abstract design. Like I love the way that this turned out. Such a simple project. And then we have someone doing something with some old straws here. So they're like really bold neon colors. So after washing the straws, they're cutting them. And they're using a hole puncher to create like little pieces. And it looks like they're making some earrings. Oh, this definitely seems like a really tedious project, but wow, look at the end results. Oh, that is so cool. And they do show you how it looks with the multicolors. I was curious about that. So then we have someone with some wooden pieces here. I have no idea what this is that they're making. Looks like some type of like stand or something. Oh, they spray painted it gold. Yeah, I guess that's some type of stand, not entirely sure. Oh, wow, a jewelry holder. Oh no, it's a basket. That could be a cool little jewelry holder too, though. It's a cute basket. I thought it was like a tassel earring hanging from it at first. Okay, so we have a project featuring some clay here. Twisting the clay up, cutting it. Oh, they must be making a candle holder. I think I've seen a similar project like this before. This could also be a planter. Okay, so they use it as a candle holder. Cute. Very nice design and aesthetic that they have going here. And then we have some type of photo frame. Oh, they turned it into a candle holder. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. And then we have various glasses here. Champagne bottles. Oh, really cool candle holders. And also a vase. Oh, are they making like paper lanterns with this one? Oh, that's really cool. They're adding their own fairy lights. What a creative idea. And you could do different papers, like different color paper too if you wanted to. Really cool project idea. You can make it as long or as short as you want to. Oh, okay, so they must be making coasters. I'm just gonna guess that's what this is. Has to be. What else could it be? Yep. It's kind of weird to see like the pink and the wooden bead though. I think maybe if they had spray painted that, it would have looked a little bit more cohesive. Just my personal opinion. Oh, wait a minute, is that an old shopping cart? Piece of cork. Okay, we already saw what the finished product is, and it's a table. Wow. Well, I know that that definitely took a lot of work. Alright, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed today's project ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.